Guys, Xiaomi just dropped the 17 Pro Max and this phone is looking insane. If you thought Samsung and Apple were running the game, Xiaomi is here to shake things up in 2025. Let's break down everything you need to know. First up, the design. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max comes with a sleek, curved edge body and ultra-slim bezels that give it a futuristic feel. And that display? A massive 6.9-inch AMOLED 2K screen with LTPO 144Hz refresh rate. Super smooth for gaming, scrolling, and binge-watching Netflix in crystal clarity. Under the hood, it's rocking the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Translation, this phone isn't just fast, it's a powerhouse built for gamers, creators, and multitaskers. Now let's talk about the camera system, because this is where Xiaomi flexes. We're looking at a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a periscope zoom lens with up to 120x digital zoom. Oh, and the front? A 50-megapixel selfie shooter with AI magic. This could honestly rival professional cameras. Battery life? A huge 5500 mAh cell with Xiaomi's crazy fast 150-watt wire charging and 80-watt wireless charging. That means from 0 to full in under 20 minutes. Apple and Samsung can't touch this speed. On top of that, it's running HyperOS based on Android 15, features an in-display fingerprint scanner, Dolby Atmos dual speakers, and even satellite connectivity for emergencies. So, is the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max the new flagship killer of 2025? Honestly, it just might be. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you pick this over the iPhone 16 Pro Max or the Galaxy S26 Ultra? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more epic tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.